got a pretty nifty storm coming our way right now, so I'm giving you guys a little bit of footage here. Oh, yep, yeah, I don't know if you saw that lightning strike, it was right over there. Alright, you can go this way. I get an American flag. You can probably see the flashes of lightning going on. Oh yeah, that's some beautiful thunder right there. Some thunder boomers. You guys getting the picture of old glory here. The wind is picking it up and getting it into the picture. The rain and the wind is picking up now, so I don't know how long I can keep this recording going, so I don't want my iPad breaking. But you guys can hear the thunder. We definitely have a thunderstorm going on right now. But this is also a, you know, oh, all right. Need to back up a little bit. Look at this. You guys are seeing Mother Nature up close and personal from my point of view. What I really want to get is right over here, because this is where the thunder and lightning are. So yeah, you know, as I was saying before I had to back up there a little bit, this is kind of like an update video too. And as you guys have noticed, I haven't been posting any tropical updates in the last day or two. It's because it's pretty much quiet. There's not really much to talk about in the forms of the tropics. So, you know, I might be doing other video projects in between, you know, now and the time something forms in the Atlantic. But we're just gonna have to see. I might start one of those projects tonight, and I've been thinking about doing it for a while now. But you guys will find out what that is a little bit later on. So here is Mother Nature for you, and that's all for me. Have a nice day.